Hello, how are you? Welcome back to one of our new videos regarding the pronunciation and grammar mistakes. So today we are going to talk about one of the most common mistake that most of Egyptians use while speaking English, which is the TH sound. The TH sound. Okay, so how can we overcome this problem? First of all, let's listen to what the problem is. The first thing is that people in Egypt, especially Egyptian citizens, they say, "This is my book. This is my book," which is "this is." So the correct pronunciation is "this is, this is, this is." So that. What happens here that we take our tongue between our teeth line like this. We say "this is." This is, this is. Alright, so it's the. Look at my tongue, the. We say it's the. So, another pronunciation with the TH which is th. Number three. So, when we say it we say it three. Number three. This is the Egyptian way. We can't say this is an Egyptian English because this is not English at all. So how can we overcome this? So actually this is because of people who are learning or studying Arabic since childhood. They say th as sah and the as za, which is like they are mixing up the th with za and s and so on. So they are mixing up some letters and they are having some problems while pronouncing some Arabic letters, so they do the same with the English letters. So how can we overcome it? So let's have a look on some people or some countries in India and Asian countries like India, Pakistan, China and so on. Those people, you do not have the or tha sound. So what do they do to overcome this problem? Actually, they pronounce it in a different way that's similar to the original pronunciation, which is ta and da. So how is this? So instead of saying this, they say this. So they pronounce it da. So this is a book. This is a book. So you see, it's not the same pronunciation, but at least it is similar to the same pronunciation or to the original pronunciation. That's why we need to work on this. If we have a problem, the Egyptian problem, you have this problem to pronounce it like that, you can say it as da. Ta. Like this is the letter in Arabic, dal. We pronounce it as dal, to make it at least very close to the original pronunciation. So you can say, this is a book, this is a book. So the as da sound. So what about tha? Like that's a chair, that's a chair. So instead of saying that, we can say that's a chair, that's a chair, that's a chair. So the same. So what about three, number three? When we say number three or thank you, people cannot say, the Egyptian, most of them, they cannot say thank you, and they pronounce it. Unfortunately, they pronounce it thank you, which is incorrect, completely incorrect. So how can we overcome this wrong pronunciation? We say it as thank you, which is a very soft T, very light, like tha as ta, which is tha is an Arabic letter. So instead of saying thank you, we say it thank you. So that's similar. So now tha as ta, tha as da. So let's repeat it again. The first thing is thank you. So if you can say it thank you, you say it thank you. Alright, what about this, which is the. this is a book. So you say, this is a book. This is a book. So if you have a problem to pronounce the and tha, you can replace them with ta and da. Ta and da. That's the first thing that most of Egyptians do. Okay, what about the second thing that most of Egyptians do? Okay, which is the B and P sound. The B and P sound. So, guys, if you just put your hands in front of your mouth to say here, pa, pa, you feel like there is air coming out. Pa, pa. For example, pen, pen, pen. So it's pen, air coming out. Pen. Okay, what about B? Put your hands on your neck, in your necks right now, so you can hear. It says b, b, b. A book, a book. So let's say a name. Peter, Peter or Peter, Peter. Pen, paper, prepare. Okay, that's P. How about the B? We say book, blouse, brown. So ba, 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 pa, ba, pa, ba, pa, ba. Those are the two common mistakes that most of Egyptians do. So what's the first mistake, or the first pronunciation mistake, which is the TH sound? When we say the, we can pronounce it as da. This is a book. That's a chair. This is a book. That's a chair. So they are so similar. That's number one. Number two, pa, paper. B, be, be, book, 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 paper, book, paper, book. That's the second common mistake. So that's for now, for today. So next session or next class, I'll be telling you more about the common pronunciation and grammar mistakes that most people, even native speakers, do. Thank you so much, and if you have any comments, I'll be more than glad to see your comments after the video. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.